Hi friends, this is Atul Patrikar with Say Patrikar. Today we learn about extension method in C#. So now open Visual Studio. Now create new project. Now select console application. Now click on next button. Now set the project name. Third party project name. Third party project DLL. And click on next button. Framework now create. Now add new class. The class name is math class and click on add button. Now make this class as a public. Now create some main method, public static void main parameter string of array argument. Now in this class we can create one addition method. For we are using mathematical functions for this extension method. So public integer add method, then parameter int x comma int y, then return x plus y. Okay, now write some now call addition method in static main method for testing purpose. Now create another project, so we can call this third party DLL in this new project. Click on next, then project name math extension class. The project name is math extension method. Now next, now create. Now make this program.cs class. Okay, first of all add some main method in this program.cs class. So public class name is program, then again add main method for entry point. The entry point is program class is entry point for this project. Now add this project third party project reference, third party project DLL. Our existing project name is third party project DLL. Okay, so basically use of the extension method. Suppose we have only the third party DLL but we don't have any source code. So this time we can extension this class, or we can create this existing class object and we can call the all methods under the existing class. So like here just adding addition is, and then m.add class. Okay, so m.add class is from the actual math class from third party. Okay, m.add, then as in any value. console.readline. now run this project for testing purpose. Output is proper or not. Okay, so now here the requirement is we don't have the math class source code. Okay, so we have only the DLL, so we need to add some multiplication logic in that class. So if we are extension the existing class into the new class, then we need to make this class as a static, public static, then write some static method like public static int, then this keyword is consider this method use a extension class, means existing class. So multiplication, now the class name is, now we need to add the namespace here using third party DLL. Now this math class m comma then our parameter, okay, int x and int y. Now return x into y. X into sorry, okay. Now here when we type m dot, then there is two methods showing. The add method is actual from the math class, and multiplication method from match extension class, but we are extending this class. So m dot multiplication, so from yes, so we can now rebuild one more again. Need to rebuild this project again. Okay, rebuild. Now trying to call this extension method. So now here we are using the math class, third party class object m dot multiplication. Now here is showing the pink color and down arrow. Okay, so pink color box and the black down arrow is showing it's a extension method. Okay, sorry, actually 20 comma 20. Okay, remove. Okay, now multiplication is also done, or extension method is also done. Now we are adding some more method like division or subtraction. So we are done with the extension method, how to use extension method, how to call existing DLL class, or how to create new method, how to call new method from existing class. So we can review all this part in this video. So thank you for watching this video.